Hi guys, my name is Ivar and I'm the founder of Smart Sampling. We at Smart Sampling are creating a survey software that is used to collect valuable data from consumers during in-store product samplings. Since 1952, product samplings have been used as one of the most effective ways to market and promote products to consumers. And for the last 14 months, I have been running a product sampling company here in Iceland, working with some of the biggest wholesalers and manufacturers to help them increase sales and brand awareness of their products. But there's one thing missing from traditional product sampling, and that is data. Manufacturers and wholesalers need relevant data. Data about what the consumer actually wants and what the consumer actually feels about their products. What they feel of the taste, the way the packaging look, or even what do they think of the price points. It's data they can use for marketing, creating new products, or maybe importing different flavors. Because, as you can see, it's quite difficult to gather all this data from all of these people at once without using the right tools. Can you imagine writing it down and then trying to deliver it? It can be really, really difficult. So, after a long search for the right solution without finding one, we created our own. It's a survey software that we display on a tablet, where we ask the consumer who's trying out the samples questions about the product. The UI is fun, fast, and really easy to use. And for our clients, they have access to a large database of questions so they can create surveys for their products, or even use surveys that we've already created for them. For the last year, we have been testing out our MVP with wholesalers and manufacturers here in Iceland with great results. I want to give you one example. Lava Cheese, they use product sampling as their main marketing tool. And we've been using Smart Sampling for a couple of months now to collect data from consumers about lava cheese. Data that they actually then used to change the packaging. What that had an effect was an increased sales of 62% by the next quarter. Changing the packaging, using the data from the consumer. Couldn't be any more simple than that. The global market is big, but in Europe and US, there are around 130,000 product samplings being carried out every day, with over 45 million people trying out those samples. But no one is asking them questions about what they actually feel about those products, which gives us around 500 million data points being lost every day. Crazy. Nobody is collecting it. Until now. For a go-to-market strategy, we partnered with an up-and-coming product brand that is growing extremely fast, and we will be following them with our MVP throughout Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Estonia, Lithuania, and Latvia for the next year, further developing our product, selling it to bigger markets, and building up the company. The team behind Smart Sampling has great experience in starting and running successful companies. And we have the know-how and the passion to see this all through. In 1985, Coca-Cola decided to change the flavor and the packaging of their only product, trying to increase sales. It was a marketing strategy. But that couldn't have failed worse, as the consumer hated it, and they lost a lot of market share to the rivals at Pepsi. Today, this is considered to be one of the worst marketing mistakes in history. something that could have been prevented with smart sampling. Thank you very much.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Fantastic. I don't know much about the industry of smart sampling. I believe it's as big as it is. However, if not in Europe, in the US, the rewards programs, there's so much money in these. Mm-hmm. Now, you already have the customer right there, engaged, giving feedback. Would it be possible to capture that attention and also connect these potential future customers into the rewards programs and be that middleman in facilitating and potentially increasing the revenues for you even further?
It's a really good question. And it's something that we've been looking into from the beginning. Because loyalty programs and other stuff like that, they actually help us give our customers more information that they want and need, not just give them a survey and then make them leave. That's something that we will definitely develop with time. But do we see a lot of potential in that? Yes, definitely.
And to build up on that, actually it's not only rewards programs, right? So whatever customer profiling tools you can actually bring in, starting from like Wi-Fi sampling and like any type of data you're going to enrich the information about sampling with, will actually increase the value of the offering to the customer. Yeah. Otherwise, actually, not too much to say. Super simple solution. This is awesome.
I want to just put a one point on that, even though it wasn't the question. So basically, what we're doing in the core, we are creating fun survey software. When people think of surveys, they think of something that takes time. It's quite boring. They don't get any rewards. It's like somebody from Gallup calling you up or sending you a survey. So we want to try to change that. We want to try to make the environment for the consumer fun, fast, easy, something that they actually get something from. So that's what we're trying to tackle. And then, of course, on the back end for the clients itself, it's about simplifying things because we have marketing people buying our solutions, people that are not experts in data. So we are actually taking the raw data we get and we are delivering in a way that they actually can use it right away. And it's so easy. Yeah. Thank you.
Good luck.
Give it up, Smart Solutions! Thank you,
guys.
What up, my man?